Hey there tech fans, Rick here again with another review, and today I'd like to give you 5 good reasons why I think you're going to fall in love with the Bluetti EB3A portable power station. This first reason has to do with the fact that I think Bluetti has struck the perfect balance between power and portability because the product can provide 600 watts of external charging and operating capabilities that can surge to 1200 watts when needed, which means you'll have no trouble plugging in a drill or a fan or something with a compressor in the unit, and it can handle that surge in current. And they've packed all that power into a tiny little unit that weighs less than 10 pounds, which means it's ultimately portable, and you can take it with you anywhere that you need to keep all of your thirsty portable devices fully charged when you're away from home. It also makes a great backup power solution for those times where you've lost power at the house. The next reason I like this unit a lot is the charging capabilities. A lot of other portable power stations on the market require an external brick to charge them, and those bricks are wildly inefficient, and those power stations can take hours to charge. What Bluetti's done with this unit is built that charging circuit inside the product, which means they completely control that charging cycle, and it allows you to plug it directly into an outlet, so no worries about an external charging brick. But by controlling the charging cycle, they can speed things up, and they can also carefully distribute that charging across all of the cells inside and keep track of how well they're doing, and that shortens the charging cycle. So you can actually charge this unit to 80% in less than an hour, which means you're out the door a lot faster. You're not spending all day charging your portable power station. So that's a really big advantage. They've also built an MPPT circuit in there if you decide to use the solar panel kit, which governs the energy coming from that solar panel and safely and quickly charges the internal batteries. A lot of other units require an external MPPT circuit, so they've done everything they can to carefully groom the power that's heading into the unit to quickly and efficiently charge the internal cells. Another really important difference is the battery chemistry inside this particular product. A lot of other portable power stations use standard LiPo cells or lithium polymer cells, which are okay, but they're not really good in hot weather or cold weather. They don't hang on to a charge very long. It's also difficult to charge them quickly because the chemistry really resists the charge. This one is using lithium iron phosphate, which is the latest battery chemistry on the market, and that allows it to charge quickly and safely, but it retains the charge longer. It provides more recharge cycles, so you'll get several thousand recharge cycles out of it. Plus, it's incredibly tolerant for hot weather and cold weather, which is where you're going to use this unit. You're going to be out camping, it's going to get hot, it's going to get cold, so you want a unit that has the lithium iron phosphate batteries in it. And then the final reason has to do with how you use the unit once it's fully charged. A lot of portable power stations on the market provide a couple of ports and maybe an AC output. This one has AC, DC, and USB, and a wireless charger on the top. And the wireless charger, I'll start with that, is a real advantage because if you're out there in the field, I promise you're going to forget a cable or the cable's going to be bad. With this, whatever device you've got that can charge wirelessly, just drop it on the top of the unit. It'll immediately start charging that device. And that's 15 watts of wireless charging on the top. So even the bigger phones that you have, you can wirelessly charge on the top of it. As far as AC goes, this unit provides 2 AC outlets. They're both pure sine wave, which is a big difference between this unit and a lot of other units on the market that use a modified sine wave. A pure sine wave is perfect for sensitive electronics like laptops or drone batteries or other technology you'd want to charge off those AC outlets. Both of those provide 600 watts between them, and they're 3-prong grounded outlets, so you can use those to charge anything under 600 watts or surging to 1200 watts that you would normally charge at home. As far as the DC output goes, there's a single DC convenience outlet, just like in your car, that provides 12 volts at 10 amps. That's plenty of current to charge almost anything you'd plug into your car. In addition to that, there's 2 5521s on the front, and those are barrel connections that you can find cables to convert to other convenience outlets or charge directly from those ports to laptops and DVD players and other portable electronics. Finally, with the USB charging on the front of the unit, you'll find several USB-A connections right there. There are 2 full-size USB-As that provide 5 volts at a full 3 amps, which is the highest amount of current that a USB-A port can charge. So anything you're plugging into a charger at home, plug into the front of the unit, you're going to be completely fine. Finally, there's one more USB-C connection up there, which is the latest connection available for charging portable devices. The important thing to remember is that that port can provide 100 watts of external charging capabilities, which is exactly what you need to charge your laptop, to charge your game console, to charge drone batteries, or larger tablets. You've got plenty of power there. So what Bluetti has built here is a unit that's easy to charge, it's quick to charge. You can charge it at home, you can charge it from a solar panel, you can charge it in your car. Once it's charged, you've got the lithium iron phosphate batteries inside that will hang on to the charge, and once you take it out in the field, you've got every conceivable port you could possibly need to charge all of your portable devices and keep everything operating when you're away from home. So I think for all those reasons, they've really built a perfect unit right here that's kind of the Swiss Army knife of portable charging solutions. And I hope you found this review helpful. I love talking about this type of technology. And until next time, as always, stay nerdy.